In this video, we're going to learn how to loop over the items in a list in reverse using Python. The first thing we'll do is make a list of fruits. So we'll have fruits is equal to apple, banana, and pear. Now to loop over the items in this list in reverse, we'll use a for loop with for fruit in. Then we'll also use the built-in function reversed. So we'll have reversed fruits. Now in the loop body, we'll just output each fruit with print fruit. Now the way this works is that the reversed function that's built into Python is going to return what's called an iterator. An iterator is a tool in Python that allows us to iterate over a data structure one item at a time. So reversed is going to allow us to step through each item in this list from the back of the list to the front of the list, one item at a time. And it doesn't actually produce a new list or reverse this existing list. All it does is return this iterator that allows the for loop to step over the items in this list one at a time in reverse. And each time we're just going to output each fruit. So we'll save this and we'll give our program a try here. And we get here pear, banana, apple, and we can see we've stepped through the list in reverse. So this is how we can loop over the items in a list in reverse using Python.
Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.